Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-classes now. Let's continue our lesson in English. The title of the lesson is From the Diary of Anne Frank. So in our previous class, she introduced herself to her diary, the name of her diary. She also put a name or gave a name. The name of the diary was Kitty. So since she had no true friend, she made friends with the diary. Now here we'll continue our lesson. It was Saturday, 20th June 1942. From this date, she started writing her diary. So it was Saturday, 20th June 1942. And she wrote in her diary in this way. She wrote in her diary. She began with Dearest Kitty. On top she wrote the date, and on the left hand side she wrote Dearest Kitty. So introduced herself to the Kitty, her diary, and now she wrote the events, whatever was happening during her class hours or during those days. She began to write. She began with Dearest Kitty on the left hand side, and she wrote. Her entire class was quacking in its boots. Quacking in its boots means having lot of discussions. The whole class, entire means total, the whole class was having discussions. About what? About the teachers' meeting that was to take place in the coming days. In the coming days, the teachers were going to have a meeting. A meeting was going to take place, and the students were talking and discussing in our class. Zero. Fourth, in the meeting, the teachers will decide. In the meeting, teachers will decide who will get through, means who will pass or who will fail. In the meeting, teachers will decide who will get through or held back. Held back means those who are weak, they are not allowed to promote, they are not allowed to go to another class, so they will be held back. So the teachers will decide, and half the class was making bets at the time. The teachers' meeting hasn't taken place, but the students were making bets. Who will pass and who will fail? Some used to say, I will pass, you will fail, and they will say, no, I will pass, you will fail. In this way, they were making bets. Half the class was making bets. Some students have stopped. Stop means put or invested their savings. Saving means pocket money on their bets. So, in fact, they were investing money. They were having bets with money. So, whatever pocket money they have saved, they invested or put on the bets. So they were having bets about who will pass and who will fail. Anne Frank said, in her right is she wrote, if anyone asks her, she wrote, if anyone asks her or if anyone asks me, because me, Anne Frank said, but we cannot say me, we have to say her. So Anne Frank said, if anyone asks her, she would say that there were so many dummies in the class. Dummies means very weak and students, those who cannot follow in the class, those who cannot study properly, really foolish. There are so many dummies. They are only for the namesake. They are not up to the standard of the class. So there are so many dummies that 1/4 of the class should be kept back. That was her idea. And he said, if anyone asks me, so I would say that, half the class, 1/4 of the class should be kept back. That was her idea, she said. But here, there were so many dummies that 1/4 of the class should be kept back. It was Anne Frank's idea. If anyone asks her, this would be the answer, her answer. So she said, she again wrote in the diary, she said, teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. Teachers are unpredictable. You don't know. Because even sometimes the weak students, they get good marks, or even the good students, they get low marks. Teachers are unpredictable because it depends upon the teacher. He will not just look at the marks, he will see all the behaviors, his activities, the students' activities, his sincerity, his punctuality, everything he sees and gives the mark. So, in this way, that's why she said, teachers are most unpredictable creatures on the earth. You don't know what will happen. So you can't say right now because the meeting has not taken place. So now after the meeting, then it will be clear who will pass and who will fail. So she was not worried about her friends and herself. She said, I am not worried about myself and my friends. That means she was not worried about her friends and herself. But she was worried about maths. She was quite weak in maths and she said, I am worried about maths. Other subjects I am very good and I do not worry about those things, subjects, and my friends are also very intelligent, they are good students. The only thing I worry about maths, she said that. Now she was worried about maths. So she can't say exactly what will happen. She was quite worried about maths. So now what happens in our next classes? So we'll continue our lesson in this. It's quite interesting now. We will come about her maths teacher, Mr. Kessing. So we'll talk about that, and something happened in the class. So this is all about Anne Frank, and she wrote in her diary. So you go through this, you go through the book. If you have the book, you have the book, I think. You go through the book, or if you don't have the book, you can copy this out, points, and you go through it continuously. You don't miss the classes. If you miss the classes, you will miss a lot of things which are inside the chapter or which the chapter contains. So now remember, go through the books every day, make a habit, and stay safe at home and do your regular studies. That's my advice, because time doesn't wait for anyone else. So we are doing the diary of Anne Frank. So go through that properly. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. So that's all.